Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Xbox Game Pass. This is a recent thing that just started in 2025 and there are a couple of ways to solve it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is update Windows, so press the Windows key, press I to open settings. Go to Windows Update, install the latest update of Windows, or I should say check for updates, install them and restart your PC, and this seems to fix the issue for most people. The next thing you want to try is downloading a program called Exit Lag. This is a very useful program. So this basically optimizes your PC. And this does help Xbox Game Pass to connect. And this basically uses AI to find the best routes that you can connect to. This is a free for 3 days and $5 a month, so give it a try to see if it works. If it doesn't work, you can always just not use it. The next thing you want to try is starting the games via Steam Hub. So press the Windows key, press G, and then find the game that you want to launch, and then launch the game from here to see if that fixes your issue. The next thing you want to try is to go to a different computer and typing in Microsoft /link, and basically using your logging to a different PC with your Microsoft credentials and seeing if that fixes your issue. Some people have said that this does seem to fix the issue, so if you can't log in on your main PC, give this a try. The other thing you want to try is check for device authentication. So go to account.microsoft.com, and then what you want to do is find your own PC. You want to remove your PC that you're using, and then re-add your PC as a trusted device, and then log into your account on your PC and reauthorize it, and trying to launch Xbox Game Pass or the game once again to see if it works. If one of these helped you, leave a comment and subscribe. It really helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much.